It's going to look nice and bright and sunny out. You definitely want to grab a jacket. It's looking good. It was
Yeah, it is another brisk and chilly day out there, Josh. But we have good news just in time for Philly's opening day. On Thursday, temperatures going to surge into the 70s briefly and then come tumbling right back.
City Hall.
Back and into the table. Okay. That's a turnaround too, right?
City Hall.
I don't want to go into the sun if I can avoid it. That's right, yeah. I'm just leaving. Alright, better sit like that and walk around it. I guess it had that feeling too,
It's a known fact, Joe. If it's too hot and people are laughing themselves silly, they'll just die. We're doing this for the safety of the studio audience. What's new in your life? I saw you about a month ago at the big ESPN Sports Award. I don't even know tuxedos. And it was nice talking to you backstage, right?
Cloudy with temperatures in the 50s, about where we should be. But Philly's opening day is when we get this nice wedge of warmth and sunshine. Between a warm front and a cold front, temperatures briefly surge to 70 plus, and then that cold front comes through and it will bring rain Friday morning, followed by another renewed burst of chill just in time to start your weekend. Right now it's 34 at the airport, feels like 27. We do still have that breeze from the northwest, about 8 miles an hour. That breeze is going to be with us for the morning and then should die down a bit in the afternoon. Let's take you through the next 3 days. Again, today we're at 50, average high is 56. Tomorrow is closer to average, but it's